unang tatalakayin natin ngayon for infant formula is brand name niya is Lactum 0 to 6 months and 350 grams. At ang kanyang price niya is 284.50. Pangalawang tatalakayin natin ngayon ay first brand name niya is Lampin for 16 pieces, 15 plus 1, and ang price niya is 123.60. Okay. Ang tatalakayin natin ngayon ay baby shampoo. Ang brand niya na is Lactasit Baby and Hair Wash. Ang quantity niya is 250 ml at ang price niya is 277.60. Apat na tatalakayin natin ngayon is baby oil at ang brand name na napili ko Lovely Bell at ang kanyang quantity is 25 ml at ang kanyang price is 14.60.
This is feeding bottle in childcare brand, and they have 3 pieces in 1 pack, and the price is 254, and the quantity is 250 ml. This is the alcohol. The brand name is Green Cross, and the quantity is 250 ml, and the price is 37.40 pesos only. Grape, and the brand name is Three Toads, and the price is 4,329 pesos only. Roller, and the brand name is Piero, and the price is 1,809 pesos only.
Good afternoon, Ma'am Manilin Corceles. This is our answer for question number 1. First, number 1 is how much would the minimum cost of raising a child? First is monthly of milk of the baby is worth of 20,000, and the clothes of for the baby is worth of 4,000, and the foods of the baby is worth of 6,000, and other necessary things is like yung crib, stroller, yung shampoo is worth of 3,000, and the total of raising a child is 30,000. Yan lang po. Thank you.
What are your insights from this activity? For now, it's not easy to have a baby because in this activity with some items is so expensive to buy.
Pwede rin naman magkaanak ngayon, basta maghandaan lang natin yung mga gastusin para sa bata. Yan lang po. Ngayon, ang panda yun, pampers, talento na parang nasa pampers. The seventh item to introduce is feeding bottle. Anak na lang.
Baby shampoo. Dapat deh baby shampoo. No, baby shampoo. Pwede sa mga ano, kinag-unsa. Na-voice over, na-delay ba? Na-voice over, na-delay. Sa mga video ka ba, goods na lang. Kanina na siya.
3,000. Brand name.
Tara na.
Ibalik ninyo na. Brand name.
Video
Ano?
na.
Brand name.
Sige, video lang.
Tara.